Hey guys, Cooper here, Diesel Power Products. Today we're in the shop with our 23 Super Duty F250 short drawn silver. We've got some fancy new parts, new to the market. You're gonna like these. These aren't gonna be anything that you throw on that improve this or that. They're a fix-it part. This is their return fitting fix. As you'll find messing around with these factory fuel filters, the factory plastic pieces tend to get a little bit brittle. This gives you a solid billet, updated piece that not only looks good in the engine compartment, but you don't have to worry about breaking it like the factory ones. It's a little less delicate. You're gonna spend more time undoing the clips on the factory fitting and removing that than this install is gonna take. But follow along, let's see what we can figure out. So what we got here is we've got the updated Fleece fuel filter housing. And this part is made to work with any factory simulating fuel filter design. It's going to replace this smaller fitting right here with the thinner return line. Now there are a couple of things. They've got some nice sheathing on this that you're going to want to remove. We'll adjust the length on that. And like I said, you'll spend more time getting this little clippity-doo-dah off of here than anything else. But once you get that off, I just kind of push it in and then pull it out. And this fitting will end up going right on here to replace that. And we're going to modify this fuel line, return fuel line, to fit onto this unit. So let me grab some cutters and we'll get to modifying. So I tell you I try and find the end of the barb there and cut it as close as possible. And you're going to want to cut it straight. I want to make sure I'm not cutting that barb and leaving it stuck in there. Boom. Get these things out of the way. They supply you with a little spring clamp. You're going to want a set of pliers to install that on the hose here. Take it down about an inch or so, they recommend. And then we just take the new fitting and just kind of push it on there. Once that's done, we re-grab that little spring clamp, move it on up carefully, release that. Now I can look at how much I need to remove from that sheathing, and this is an extra step that you don't have to take. I just like the way it looks. A little bit more factory polish. Boom, that's installed. Looks good. Oh. Double O-ring. Pop that on, lock it into place. And that's that. We got bling on bling on bling. And one less thing to worry about if we ever mess with our fuel system in the future. Well, that's about all I got. If you have any questions on this product, feel free to visit the website or check the link in the description.